Hi, this is the Ask Steve Show, and I'm Steve. And today we're going to do a how-to session on how to clean the Evolis Zenius printer. And as always, we're going to have the bad photo ID of the day. Before we get started, I want to talk a little bit about this printer. It's the Zenius model by Evolis, and it comes as a single-sided printer. There's two versions of it, a classic line which just is USB only, and it has no encoding options. So if you ever think you may do encoding, you probably want to go with the expert line, which has USB and Ethernet as standard, and also gives you the option to mag encode and do smart card encoding, which is contact or contactless. So it's a great, reliable printer made for the lower run jobs. So if you're not doing a lot of printing, this is a great printer. It's a 3-year warranty, and it has a ribbon that's super easy to install. It's a one-step installation, and there's a chip in the ribbon that lets you configure, it automatically configures all the settings for you. And it also uses low energy. It's an Energy Star approved product. It has a standby and sleep mode in it. So that's the story on this nice little printer. And as I said, we're going to show you how to clean the Evolis Zenius printer, and I got Kyle from our tech department to show us how to do it.
Thanks, Steve. So cleaning this printer is almost as easy as loading it. There's just a couple of steps instead of one. So first, we recommend getting the advanced cleaning kit. You can find that just by calling us, and we'll get you set up with that. This comes with a few various things. Your printer, when you first open it, it will come with one cleaning card and one cleaning swab for the print head. We'll go over all of this here. So this is your cleaning card. This is the adhesive version. This only has one side of adhesive on it, and it only needs to be inserted one way. You don't have to flip it or anything. Right here we have a bunch of dust cleaning swabs, or I don't even know what you would call them.
Kind of like handy wipes.
Yeah, like a handy wipe for cleaning the little filter that we'll pull out, and I'll show you what that is. Cleaning pin for cleaning your print head, and then 2 alcohol saturated cleaning cards, which are big T's. So that's what we'll go ahead and do first. Before cleaning, you want to remove all your cards out of the front card hopper, as well as remove your ribbon. Go ahead and close the machine back up. There may be some warning lights up here saying, hey, I'm out of cards or I'm out of ribbon. You can just ignore those for right now. To initiate the cleaning cycle, all you do is press the power button twice, and you'll hear it kind of spin and take the rollers up. So what you'll do is you'll open up this alcohol cleaning kit here. You'll get a big card. Looks just like a T. This is alcohol saturated. So when you open this up, you want to clean your printer as quick as you can because it will evaporate. To insert this one, you open the card hopper, insert it, and it will take it in. What this card is doing is cleaning the rollers, just really scrubbing them down, just making sure that there isn't any dirt or anything on the card. And then once that's done, it will spit the card back out, and you're all done there. Now we'll go ahead and close it up, and we will use the adhesive cards now. The adhesive cards basically pick up any dust that may have been left from this roller, because it does kind of leave little fiber strands left in the printer. So we'll go ahead and peel one of these back here. Having nails usually helps. Alright, and then you insert it into this little slot down here. That'll take it back and forth through the printer real quick, and it'll eject it back out of this slot. And there it is. Now that the rollers are cleaned, we need to clean the print head. That will require us to open up the lid here, and I'm going to leave it just kind of tilted just for viewing purposes. What you're kind of aiming to clean here is right underneath this green stripe, there's like a metal bar almost. This is the print head, and this is what actually heats up and melts the image to your card. What you need to do is uncap this pin, which is also alcohol saturated, and just go ahead and run that across that, right underneath that green bar. That's just going to clean your print head, keep it nice and clean, make sure that no pixels get blown out or anything like that. While that's drying, we're going to go ahead and I'll show you where this filter is, and that's this little gray bar up here. You're just going to want to pull that out, and it's just a little, like a mesh screen. You just take these wipes, wipe both sides down, and then you would insert back in. Snaps in place, and by the time you're done with that, your print head's dry. You can go ahead and insert all your supplies back in the printer, and you're ready to print again.
All right. Thanks, Kyle.
Yeah.
As promised, here's the bad photo ID of the day. And while you're looking at that, if you have any questions, submit them to us on our website page, on our Facebook section at www.idedge.com, or you can call us 800-798-3343. We can help you select printers, and we have the best pricing in the industry, so give us a chance to help you out.